Cherish your visions and your dreams. They are the children of your soul, the blueprint to your ultimate achievement. These are the words of the late great Napoleon Hill. Hill understood that as human beings, you and I had this unique ability. It's an ability that separates us from every other creature in the animal kingdom. It's perhaps the greatest endowment given to us by the Creator. That's our ability to see in our mind's eye. Understand this. Every single improvement you'll ever experience in your life starts with an improvement with your mental picture. You must seize it before you seize it. Forgive the Ebonics, but what I'm saying in plain English is that the mental pictures, the pictures you see in your mind's eye, eventually become the reality that you hold in your hand. You must see yourself as successful. You cannot be what you cannot see. You cannot be what you cannot see. Successful men and women have this habit of seeing things. They see their success in their minds long before they experience it. They see themselves completing their college degree. They see themselves starting the family or starting the business. They picture themselves earning that promotion, winning the corner office, and becoming the go-to person in the firm. Know that you can use visualization in every area of your life. As you visualize success, you achieve it. As you visualize yourself successful, competent at a particular task, your conscious and your subconscious mind team up to make it happen. But you need to develop the skill. Although you have the ability to visualize naturally, visualization is actually a skill. Like every other skill, it can be developed and mastered. The more you practice this mental picturing with assurance and passion, the quicker you get better at it and the more likely you are to see it happen. Now, it is important to note that every one of us, our minds work a little differently, and so therefore, visualization will work a little differently for each of us. There are some of us that are called eidetic visualizers. That means that when they practice mental imaging, they see very clear, bold, three-dimensional pictures. Non-eidetic visualizers respond to tactile, kinesthetic, auditory, or emotional cues. So when they practice visualization, they don't necessarily see a vivid image. They sense it or feel it. So whether you are seeing vivid images or you're just feeling it or sensing it, don't ever get tired of practicing your visualization skills. As Napoleon Hill says, they are the blueprint to your ultimate achievements. I'm Devon Harris, and as always, keep on pushing.